بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. In today's lesson, I would like to show you how we can create a dome structure in advanced steel. If you are looking for making a dome in advanced steel, you cannot find it on internet. But for today, I would like to show you how we can make it in an easy way. So here I'm just open in Dynamo for advanced steel, and I will make a new project. So as we know, how we can get an arc, or dome. We can make it a surface by Revolve. Okay, so I need a surface by loft. In the previous tutorial, I showed you how we can create surface by loft. If I suggest you to look at that, to watch that tutorial also. So I want to make a surface by Revolve. So now I am here. What I need a profile. I need axis origin, axis direction, start angle, and sweep angle. Okay, so for a profile, what I want to bring an arc, because as we know, we can create a dome by an arc and by revolving it. So arc or line by arc. Just let me type arc. I can select this one, or maybe this one. No, it's not this one, because I want to give him an arc. So it's by 3 points. Yes, this one I think is okay. So I have a center point, radius, start angle, end angle, and normal. Yes, this is okay. So now I have to connect this one to that one, and I want to a point here and a radius here. For radius, I need number. So just connect this one. For start and end angle, what's the start and end angle? The start angle, it starts from 0 with the x-axis, or yes, with the x-axis, and the end angle is the completion of arc, this angle. So start and end and normal. So for normal, I'll give it x-axis to be normal with x-axis, and for start and end angle, Control C, Control V, I can copy this one 2 times, and start angle maybe here, and this one maybe 85. I'll show this later. So I have everything now. Just I need another point. I can write down block. So I want to a code block. So point dot point by coordinate 0 0 0, and just click here. maybe click here. I think I wrote these ones have a mistake here. So just I want to put another point, no problem. I can bring point by coordinate, yes, and delete this one, and I want to for the default is 0 0 0, so I have 0 0. Yes, now it's very good. I can select everything and align it to the left side so as to be aligned to everything with one line. So I have this profile. I want X direction and sweep angle. X direction, let's say Control C, Control V. Let's say it's X axis, and for the sweep angle I have to give it a number, Control C, Control V, which is 360. This one, so as to be complete done. So now I have a surface. Now I want to divide this surface. How I can do it? I can go to Lunchbox. You can download it from here. Search for package, and you can write Lunchbox and download this one. And if you don't know how you can use it, you can watch my previous tutorial, which is linked in below. So go to geometry, go to structure. I can use this one, or use this one, or this one, any one of it, no problem. Just let me select this one for this tutorial, and connect surface and connect U and V. So these are numbers, so just copy this one, Control C, Control V. Maybe 10. Control C, Control V again. Let's both of them 10. So what I have lines now. So I have to make a list, and just like previous tutorial, I can get items like this. So I have a list. What I want to get this list by index. So just type get item by an index and go to here, and for index we can use block code block, and from index 0 just click here. Why we are using these steps? I want to give it everything, every line, give it or take start and end point. Okay, so that's why I'm making like this. Here what I have now, I want to get start and end point, because when I'm drawing any beam I have two points, so from here and from here, like this. After that I want to make beams, so go to advanced steel, beams, and straight beam. Just click straight beam here. We have this start point and this end point, and for orientation I can use Y orientation. Everything is okay now, except radius. I want to give it a radius, for example, let's say 5,000. As you see, now I can click here, it's my program. Can click here and run. Yes, profile is okay. The sweep angle is okay. Maybe this one is not. Let me just use y-axis. Yes. When we change it to y-axis, we get this dome. So if we change back to x-axis and see the difference, or maybe z-axis, yes, now it's like this. If you are going to use, this is the revolution, so we have to set z-axis. If we are going to use y-axis, we see the difference. So I need z-axis for this. Yes, now I have this one. So maybe you are asking me about this bracing. Yeah, we can make it, or we can change this shape. If we change, let me first start from here. I can set this angle. I can make this hollow bigger by making this one maybe 70, and click here and run again. I will wait till it finishes because it needs some time, because I have this model. It will calculate every single point. The program will calculate every single point. That's why it needs some time. Yes, as you see, it's like this. So I have this angle and this angle. So what's this angle? This angle, if we look at like this, here, this is the 0 angle, and this is the this angle that I can make with it. So I can change it to 90 and see what's the, it has to be less than 90. Let's say 85. Yes, it's like this. So for this is for this one. I can change this sweep angle if we sorry, if I need only 180, I can make this one 180. Now it's everything just parametric. Everything became parametric like this. As you see, I can change back this to 360 and click again, run, and click like this. So I want to I can change this, maybe this to 7 and this to something 15 maybe. Click here and run and click here. As you see, it changes like this. It's fully parametric. Not only this one, I use it surface by Revolve, and I use it structure wire grid. Now I can make if I go back to my lunchbox, I can use the other ones for geometry. Here from structure, I can use wire hexagonal. I can use this one. Let me see. Let me show you what this makes. I can connect this one to here and this to here, and this to here, and I need one number for this one, so Control C, Control V, and just click here and here. So I want to take my list from this hexagonal wire. So just now this is not doesn't work. This is doesn't work. Okay, so just click here and run and click. You see, it is like this. If you are going to increase these numbers for maybe this is 20 and this is 35, click here and run and click here again. You'll see the difference. It needs some time. Yes, as you see, it is like this. Maybe this one not 20, maybe 15, and maybe this 40. Click again, run again, and click here. Now you can see the difference. I have this type of DOM, and if I want to draw this DOM in advanced style with lines, it is maybe impossible, or it needs many times to draw like this DOM. Okay, so just let me save this one because I need it later. This one, save it, maybe number 1, save. Okay, I don't use this, I can use this one. Let me say this one. Into direction we have, now I have diagonal and bracing into directions, so surface to here and U to here and V to here, but I want to decrease these numbers maybe by 10 and 15. Click here, run, and click back here. What's the problem? Yes, I have to connect this one to this line to this one because I need to take the data from this one. So click here and run, and you see, I have like these DOM, and really it's very small, so I want to decrease these numbers for 5, maybe by 7. Just click here and run. So as you see, I have this DOM. Maybe this one to 10. I think it's better. Run again. It's up to you. You can change the radius, you can change everything that you want. Yeah, so this one, let's to 50, and this one to something 7. Run again. Yes, this is another type of structure that's, or another type of DOM. We have these are connected with 2 bracing or 2 diagonal beams. Again, save this one, maybe 2, save, and I can change again. I can change this one, maybe 1 diagonal brace. The same procedure, just connect this one to here, this one to here, and this one to here, and this item, I'm sorry, click from here, connect to items. Again, click here, run. Now it's the same thing, but I have one diagonal, not both diagonal. Yes, as you see, like this. Our DOM is fully parametric. Just let me save it, this 3, and if I use this one, wire space frame, I can use it, but it needs some work. No problem, we can make it. We can because this is we are using for space frame. I have to give some other datas. No problem, I will make it surface to surface, U to U, V to V. I have depth now. So what I have not only one list, I have 5 lists, which is I'll show you how we can make it. It's this one, it's a little bit more difficult. No problem, I want to just copy a number, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and give it a depth for the space frame, maybe 1000. I think it's a lot, maybe 500, and give it to depth. So for list, I have 5 lists here, so I want to make these 5 lists like this. So this one to this, this to this, this to this, this to this, and this to this. So if I run this one, because I have this one only for one list, for the first list, just let me show you what I mean. Click here and run. You see, I have only these lines now. Okay, I will copy everything, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Again, if I suggest you to see my previous tutorial, which is the link is below in the description, because I discuss all this one clearly there, and make this one, and again click here and run. I have now another beams. Yes, I have like these beams. So what I want, I have to make this one Ctrl C, Ctrl V, Ctrl C, Ctrl V at the time, and Ctrl C, Ctrl V for the last time. So 1, I have to change this one to 2, this one to 3, and this one to 4. So when I want to just save it, because maybe this will crash. DOM in advance, still with Dynamo. Just save it and click here and run. So this time needs more time because I have a complicated structure and sometimes maybe crash. Yes, as you see now, I want to show you. If I just go to conceptual, you see the difference. Everything is now most complicated one, and this is the most complicated one. So that's why I'm going to change the radius for something maybe 10,000, and click here, or maybe 15,000, maybe better. Yes, and give it a depth for 1 meter. Yeah, 1000, like this, and click here and run again. So as to be more clear, this structure. Yes, now everything is clear, I think. I have this type of structure. I have this goes outside, and I have this structure. It's the most complicated one. If you are going to look at from top view or bottom, I want to save changes, yes. So from bottom, you see, this is the structure that goes out. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have any question, please leave comment below in comment section. Thank you.